Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is an exciting video. I have a ginormous haul for you guys today. I want to do a quick little disclaimer. In no way am I trying to brag about anything that I got. I just wanted to show you guys because I really enjoy watching these videos on YouTube, and so I thought that maybe you guys might want to watch mine too. Today I have a lot of products to show you guys, so I'm going to try to breeze through it really fast so it's not a very long video, but it could potentially be, so you might want to grab a snack and sit down and let's just get onto this haul. Okay, so I have a lot of places that I got some products from. I have Target, I have TJ Maxx, I have ColourPop, I have Ulta, I have Forever 21, and I have the bookstore. So I think I'm just going to start with Target first. And actually one of the first products that I got from Target is something I'm wearing. It's just this t-shirt. It's really plain and boring, but I really wanted a v-neck shirt and I didn't have one. It's just a gray v-neck shirt. Nothing special about it, just a gray v-neck. So there's my first product. So the next product is the Sonia Kashuk Soft Focus Satin Matte Foundation, and it comes with a pump. I will say I did use this foundation today. The pump was a little kind of weird. The foundation has a scent to it. I don't know what it smells like, but it has a definite scent, and it is very runny and liquidy. I did actually get the lightest shade in the collection. There weren't too many shades. I think there were about maybe 10. But I am wearing the foundation today. I don't think it looks bad, but I'll definitely have to keep using it to test it out to see if I like it. Alright, the next product I got from Target is another Sonia Kashuk product, and it is the Sonia Kashuk Ion Neutral Matte Palette. And this is what it looks like. This is just a basic, like, everyday palette. It is just a bunch of mattes, and I thought it was really pretty. I've heard a lot of good things about this palette, and so I wanted to try it out for myself. Alright, the next product that I have to show you guys is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I'm sure you've heard a lot about this on the internet. I just didn't have this, and I've heard a lot, and so I thought it was going to be really good, so I just wanted to try it out for myself. So that's the next thing. Then this is nothing like cool. I just got the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This is like from their $1 range. I just needed a new like kind of flat shader brush, but didn't want to spend a lot of money on one because I'm cheap. So I just went and got this. And then I actually found, which was exciting to me, two of e.l.f.'s new matte liquid lipsticks in store. So I thought that was really awesome. I did get two colors. I got Praline and I got Blushing Rose. So these looked absolutely beautiful, and I'd seen a lot about these. I've tried their lip plumping glosses that were new, and so when I saw these I just had to snag them. And then the next two things are not really makeup related. One of them is like kind of related in a way, but I just got some vanilla macaroon scented hand lotion from Target. This was actually on sale for 60 cents, and I wish I bought more because I go through hand lotion so quickly. My hands are so dry, especially in the winter time, and so I'm constantly putting on hand lotion. So I just got this one from a Target. Also, if you do have any good suggestions for a good hand lotion that you don't have to constantly keep putting on to keep your hands moisturized, please let me know down in the comments because I'm trying to find one. Okay, and the last thing that I got from Target is these little socks. I love socks, and especially ones that are like funny or cute in any way, or that have anything to do with cats. So I got these little socks. I'm going to put it on my hand to show you. And it's a cat in a burrito, but it says burrito. How cute is that? That's just so cute. I love puns and I love cats, and socks, so you put it all in one, and I'm just a really happy girl. So these are the last thing I got from Target. I only actually got one thing from Ulta, and this was a limited edition holiday set from the brand NYX, and it's the NYX Professional Makeup Beyond Basic kit. It was like a $20 kit, but it was on sale. I'll open it up and show you guys what it comes with. Okay, so this kit actually comes with 3 pieces. It comes with the NYX matte liquid liner. Yeah, it's a very fine brush tip liner. And then it came with a NYX, I'm gonna stop saying NYX. Then it came with a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Nude Rose. So that's awesome. I love nudes. And then this is what really intrigued me, is this little palette right here. But these colors just looked really fun, and it's like nothing I have in my collection already, so I thought these would be really great to try out. And I've heard NYX eyeshadows are pretty good, but I've never tried one, so I got this. And I think they sell all of these products individually. I don't think that this is like limited edition products. It was just a limited edition box set. So the next place is Forever 21 that I did go, and actually this choker, it's like a 3-piece set choker that I'm wearing today, I got from Forever 21. I had never worn a choker before, but I actually bought 2 because I wanted to try them out. I don't know how I feel, I don't know if I'm wearing it right, but this is the first thing that I got from Forever 21. And then the second thing that I got from Forever 21 is also another choker. These are individual chokers. They came in a set, but they're individual. This one is all together. So it has 3 different strands, and on the last strand is a cute little like round pendant thing. But they're all connected on one little clasp instead of like 3 like this one is. The next thing that I got from Forever 21 are these cute little, I don't even know what to call them, earrings. They're amazing. They're definitely bigger than I thought they were, but they're very cute tassel earrings. Tassel earrings, that's what we're gonna call them. So they're tassel earrings. They're very long, but they're very cute, and black goes with everything. They had a red pair that I really wanted, but they were sold out of that one, so I got the black pair instead, and I think I can wear these with more things anyway, so yes. Alright, and I actually got 2 more things from Forever 21, but one of them is in my car, and I really am too lazy to go out there and get it right now. But it was a pair of sunglasses. They were really cute mirrored aviator type sunglasses, and they were like so cheap too. They were like $3 or $4, but they feel like pretty good quality. They don't feel really cheap, and I've been loving them so far. So yeah, that's awesome. And then the last thing I got from Forever 21 is this top. It doesn't really look like anything special because it's honestly not really. It's just this blush pink color. I really like this material, and it looked really cute on the model, and so I got it. And okay, next is TJ Maxx, and I got a few things from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx always surprises me because they have high-end brands for cheaper. I actually found some Anastasia liquid lipsticks, and they also had some glossy lips as well, but I only got the liquid lipsticks, and I got 2 shades. They had many more, but I got the shades Vamp and Craft. So this is Vamp right here. It's just a very nice vampy color. And then I got the shade Craft, which is more of like a mauve toned purple. And then I also got the Anastasia contour. This is the cream contour kit. They did have it in the powder contour, but they didn't have light. They only had medium to tan or tan to deep. But I did randomly find the cream contour. It was the only one in the store in light. And so here is the packaging right here. And you just open it up. It's such nice packaging. Then you have the contour and highlighting colors right here. So yeah, this was a really awesome find at TJ Maxx. So the last thing I got from TJ Maxx is actually an e.l.f. product. They do sell cheap products too, like drugstore products for even cheaper, which is crazy to me, but anyway. So I got the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. This is the one that everyone talks about is like an amazing highlighter, and I just didn't have it in my collection. And this is just what the highlighter looks like. I've heard it's amazing, so we shall see. Alright, and the last makeup stuff I have to talk about is from ColourPop. So this might seem a little extra, because I am extra, but I got 4 palettes from ColourPop. I got the Golden State of Mind palette. This is an all shimmer palette, and they look stunning. I haven't used them yet, but I do love ColourPop's formula. I do have a different palette of theirs, and I love their formula, so I had to buy more. Plus, they were doing a promotion, and they were even cheaper, and they're already cheap, so I was like, yes. I also got the double, I don't know how to say this word, double entendre, I don't know. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's the double one, and it's in the pink packaging, and then this is what it looks like. I'm actually wearing this palette on my eyes today. I wanted to try it out. This is more of like the neutral palette, like an everyday palette, and I really think it is. I used most of the colors in here, and it blends very well, very easy to work with, definitely feel like high-end shadows. Now I will say that the pan sizes are pretty small on these, but the price that you're paying for them, it doesn't bother me at all. I also got the You Had Me at Hello palette. This one is the only ColourPop one that I'm aware of, or that I got, that comes with a mirror. Now this one consists of 6 shimmers and 6 mattes. And the last palette is the palette that started this journey for ColourPop, and it is the Yes Please palette. Oh no, mine's dirty. Oh, I just opened this up for the first time. It's dirty. This is the Warm Tone palette, the one that came out in the fall. Definitely beautiful color. I've heard it's comparable to the, what is that, Natasha Denona palette, the Sunset palette. This one looks beautiful. I love warm tone shadows, and like this red is just calling my name, and so is this yellow, even though I don't think I've ever worn yellow on my eyes, but I want to now. I got the Ultra Glossy Lip from ColourPop in the shade Tight Fit. This is a beautiful color. I didn't know it was a metallic when I got it, but it's still beautiful and I will still wear it. But yes, I love ColourPop's lippies, all of them. I have so many already, and I just had to have this one in my collection too. Then I got a shadow from the Laura Lee Los Angeles and No Kill LA collaboration. I think it was so cool that she did that. 100% of these proceeds go to No Kill LA, which is the shelter that is located in LA. There is a little, I don't know if you can tell, there's a little paw print above the ColourPop. Like normally I would just say ColourPop, but there's a cute little paw print. So I also thought this color was absolutely stunning, and I just wanted this as well. And their Super Shock formula is crazy weird, but like I also love it at the same time. So yeah, I just had to have this one in my collection. The last product that I got from ColourPop is a highlighter. It is one of their Super Shock Cheeks highlighter in the shade Flexitarian. This just looks stunning. Like, this is all I want in a highlight. It looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to wear it on my cheekbones. Alright guys, and the last 3 products I want to share with you today are actually from the bookstore. You may not know this, but I am a huge book nerd. I love to read, and so I went to Half Price Books. I don't know if they have those where you are, but from here in Texas, they do have them. So I just went there and got a few books. So I got the book 13 Reasons Why. I had seen the TV show, and kind of have mixed reviews about it. I know a lot of people did, but my friend told me that I should check out the book if I had watched the TV show and kind of liked it, because she said that the book was 100 times better, and I'm actually in the process of reading it right now. I have 2 more chapters and then I'm done, so that's exciting. So far it's really good and I've liked it, so yeah. The next book I got was actually The Notebook, and this is by Nicholas Sparks. I love Nicholas Sparks as an author, and I have read almost all his books but this one for some reason, and I love this movie, so I don't know why I hadn't read the book yet, but I got this book. And then the last book that I got is a book called We All Looked Up by Tommy Wallach? I don't really know. But this is what the cover looks like. There's like a star, shooting stars, and people down there. But I don't really know much about this book. I just saw it and it looked like the cover looked really cool. And I know they say don't judge a book by its cover, but like a lot of the times I pick up a book because of its cover. But I read the back of it, and I read a little bit of the first chapter when I was in the store, and I just thought it would be something I would be interested in reading, so I picked it up as well. Alright guys, and that includes everything for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'm not trying to brag about any of the products that I got. I just wanted to share them with you guys because, like I said, I do love watching hauls here on YouTube. Like, I'll watch them all day if I can, because it shows me like new products that maybe I've never heard of, or like something I was interested in buying, and if they bought it, like someone that I watch on YouTube bought it, then it makes me want to buy it more or something. I don't really know. I don't know how it works, but it's weird. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Yeah, that's all I have to say. So I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.